Oh, Jesus. Massive hit. Massive hit. Yep. Missed it again. I know. Oh! Oh, it's massive. It's massive. Oh God, it's massive. I got it, don't worry. Still there. I am. DJ, give me light, Yeah. What is that? I don't know, it could be a carp, it could be Murray. It's a small carp. Oh, it's pulling. Nah, it's a little carp. This small little carp. There we go. No, wait, we're getting on shore. There we go. And he's on the shore. Ah, dogs, leave it, mate. No, it's good enough. It's out of him. Hooks are out. Oh, he felt massive, Archie. He felt massive. Wait, Archie. Oh, get here. Turn it off. Go ahead. Huh? No, I didn't hit him. There you go. Where is it? Still there? Yeah, it's still there. There it is. Where are you? Look at that shit. There it is. Oh, he's swinging. Oh, goodness. He just got off a hook.
There you go. Just chilling here, and then it's gone like pretty much in half. Nice trouty.
First jack on. First fish of the session today.
Yeah, his gills are biting me.
Yep. Right, let's go releasing him. And he's off. First fish, mate. My mate's over there getting some more bait. This guy hooked up to his rod. So we're gonna get a good release in him. Small one. Set off. Oh, Jesus. Woo! I didn't think he would actually go. I thought he was done for. Yep. Oh. Mate! Wait, where are we going? There's nothing in front of us. Oh. I'm flying into so many bugs. It's like when you drive it. How deep is it right now? A meter?
Actually, we gotta leave.
What's it mean? No! Archie, you gotta hold it!
I am holding it.
It's gonna get a bird's nest if you do. Archie, no! Archie! Stop, give it back. Hold it back.
Hold on to that. Oh, really?
Oh, you bum.
Do you want some sunnies?
You won't be able to see anything either.
You'll be able to see better than this. Let's make our way back.
Yeah.
We can fish off the bank.
Mhm.
That way I can have a couple of beers with you, old man.
What a fucking stop. Oh, no, this is a Murray.
No, it's not.
Yeah, these patterns go to its head.
Oh, is it?
Oh.
I'm
I'm sorry for calling you a Murray, it's not a Murray.
It's not a Murray. Trouty.
Man, fuck you.
Just look, we'll put it in the water.
Fuck you. So, caught this bastard.
Silver perch, get a good look at it.
Yeah. He's bleeding out of his nose. I think I pissed him off a bit, but,
Yeah.
oh, he's also,
That's the third fish of the day.
also got some battle scars on his fins, but,
That's, looks like a...
oh well. Yeah, he's also shitting himself.
Oh, fuck. Right. Do we get another picture?
Yeah.
Where's your phone?
In my left pocket.
Well, today, which is our last day being here. We're leaving tomorrow. We got some live shrimp. If I can just get one out, I can show you. Where's a good size? There's one. There it is. Hold up. Oh, that's it. Get back here. There we go. So this is a shrimp that we're going to be using. Oh!
I wonder if
Oh, there's a double hookup.
so it's,
There you go. Double hookup. It's fucking carp. Oh well. Don't worry about too much of the carp. Yep. Alright. There we go. Let me just... He's been attacked before, as you can see though. Look at that. Small little trap hook. We're going out of those here.
also got a bastard here.
Yep. Let's get this one up.
Little bastard.
Double hook up on these bastards. Alright, this one's gonna go in. Oh my god. Right, let's get you release, mate. Yeah, lovely. Bloody carp. Get this sucker in the net. So many of these buggers around. Alright. Let's bash him.
Can we show this on YouTube?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yep. They're still carp. This is a nice silver perch. Pretty good size. Pretty nice. Cut me foot a bit, but don't matter. Again, Archie's catch, not mine. All credit to Archie. He's bigger than the carp that we caught. Right now, we're gonna see the size of him. So, see maybe. He's not legible. Well, he might be, but
I don't actually know the proper size or the rules to it, but don't grab. Hold on. It looks like his like fins are stitched on. Look, this gaps. No.
oh yeah.